Hi guys, my name is Chimangazo Sharon Chinyemba. I am a first year student at UNISA. My student number is 57092818. Welcome to my YouTube channel, whereby I'll be presenting my assessment 6 BPT1501 semester 1. Okay, this is my tool that I've created, whereby I will be explaining what is there. This is the chat that I've prepared, whereby I'll be talking about 4 seasons of the year in South Africa. The reason why I chose to use this chart is because of the chart presents 4 seasons of the year. By using this chart, students can connect specific activities and characteristics to each season, fostering deeper learning and engagement. This chart provides a clear and concise visual representation of the 4 seasons, making the information accessible and easy to understand, especially for foundation phase students. This allows students to participate and remember the details when they are writing an exam or test. With the chart, it's easy for me to move around with it, showing the students around the class, and also they can take a closer look to the chart. So today we're going to be talking about 4 seasons of the year in South Africa. Number 1, what is a season? A season is a period of the year that's distinguished by climate conditions or weather. There are 4 different seasons with different types of weather, which is spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season has its own temperature, light, and weather patterns that repeat yearly. So right now we're gonna begin to explain each and every season of the year that I've mentioned previously. The first season that I'm gonna be discussing with you guys is spring season, which is this one. This is the first season whereby there is a tree, there is grass there, our tree is blossoming. So when I begin with this season, spring is a season of renewal. Spring in South Africa is between September, October, and November. During spring season, the weather begins to be warmer and trees are blossoming and flowers as well. South Africa celebrates Spring Day on the 1st of September. In many townships, it's a tradition for the kids to play with each other with water. This is a good time to start planting, and there is a lot of rain that allows new plant to nourish plant growth. During spring season, the days start to be longer and nights are shorter. It's also the time for celebrations, whereby people will be attending events and outdoor activities. There are a lot of outdoor activities during spring season. Spring is an icon season of celebration and new beginning in South Africa, and it makes it ideal for outdoors activities like hiking, picnics, and cycling. There is a lot to do during spring season. There is a lot of rain during spring season, which makes it ideal for plants to bud and bloom. So as we are seeing here, our plants are blossoming. It's green, everything is fresh, everything is new, everything is growing. So the temperature in spring is between 16 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius across South Africa, which makes it ideal for outdoors activities and warm enough to swim in those weathers. So number 2, we're gonna be talking about summer season. This is our summer season. Our summer season is the hottest and brightness of 4 seasons of the year. The country changes from khaki to green. Everywhere where you go during summer season, it's green. It becomes green everywhere. Summer season in South Africa is between December, January, and February. Temperature during summertime, it is very high in South Africa. It can be between 15 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius in part of South Africa region like Limpopo and Northern Cape. During this season, the temperature is hot and we experience rain as well, which can be heavy but quickly clears away. Daytime is the longest and night are shortest during summertime. Summertime is ideal for going to the beaches, wearing our shorts, wearing our sunglasses, wearing our sandals, you can name them. There are braai everywhere, there are barbecue everywhere during summer season. And summer season is a time for holidays. A lot of people, especially in December, people are going on holidays, people are taking leaves at work, schools are closed, people are energized and in good mood to spend the festive season with family. Summer season is a peak time for traveling, going on holiday and shopping as well. So we're gonna go to our 3rd season, which is autumn. Autumn is this one. Okay. With our autumn season, this season is characterized by warm days and cooler season. It's the end of rainy season. When mornings and nights are a bit chilly, afternoon are warm. This is the time when you will wear a jacket in the morning when going to school or work. Then in the afternoon you will have to take off your jacket because of the temperature will be warm. During autumn, there is a subdued shift in color, the woodlands and natural forest. And the areas around streams start changing colors as well, turning from gold and brown. The autumn season in South Africa is between March, April, and May. The weather around this time is shift from hot. The temperature in South Africa during autumn season is between 18 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius. Autumn season, the daylight starts to be shorter and the night becomes longer. This is the time when the trees start shedding leaves by change of color to red, orange and yellow, and they start falling. As we see, our leaves here are falling. So we see that it's autumn by seeing our leaves falling from the tree. Then you will immediately know that this is an autumn season. Autumn season is a season for farmers. This is a very good season for farmers because of they start harvesting their crops like corn, sugarcane, apples, cotton and pumpkin. During this time, temperature drops during the night and sunny days are still common, and light showers and heavy cloud are also common during autumn season. Then we have our last season. Our last season, we're going to be discussing winter. This is our winter season. Winter season is when the temperature reaches its lowest. Mornings are often frosty. Winter season in South Africa is between June, July and August. This is the time when the daylight is short and the night are long. Evening and mornings can be very cold during the winter season, as I've showed you on the chart. So during this time, during the winter season, we need to be warm at all times. We need to wear warm clothes at all times. We need to be wearing our warm jacket, our boots. This season is a season of being indoors. This is a season to drink coffee, to have our tea, to have our slippers. Like, this is a season to be indoors. And this season, it's also a season of being indoors. It's a season of being sick. Most of people get sick from flu and also fever. Majority of people during this season, they get flu and fever. Cold fronts during winter season are more common. Winter is the time to experience cold fronts. And cold fronts, we experience strong wind, and most of the regions in South Africa, they do experience snow and frost during winter season. And this is the time to be cozy indoors. The bonfire are everywhere, and this is the greatest season whereby we connect with family and friends. So, in conclusion, is that um, I have referenced this season that I've mentioned above. This the reference number that I've put here. I've referenced from African Travel Concept and Expert Explore. This reference helped me to compile and differentiate the season of the year in South Africa and how it is different from other countries. It helped me to be able to apply the knowledge in my everyday life and be able to have knowledge about the season of the year. It's even equipped me with the information that I never knew. In South Africa, we can be in the same season but will not experience the same thing. For an example, in Johannesburg it can be cold and in Cape Town it can be more cooler. That made me to realize and have a deep learning about my country that I'm staying in. It has opened a door for me to start traveling and to explore other regions of South Africa. And now I am more than curious to know about other regions in South Africa. So I would like to end my presentation here. So thank you very much.